Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create realistic paper turn effect in Photoshop. So let's start. First choose your image for that effect. You can see I already choose one beautiful image, which you can download from pexel.com. Now import your paper turn effect images in Photoshop, which you can download easily from Google. If not, you can download my files too. Now make some adjustment like resize and positioned it according to your need. Then select your image and give black and white effect by click this icon, and choose black and white effect. If need there you can adjust it. Now go to black and white layer option and choose pen tool and draw line as I am doing. Let's do it in bigger size. Make it fast. Now press Ctrl+ Enter to selection. And check color palette, it should be black in foreground color. If not, press X to change or choose black color. Now press Ctrl+ Delete for fill foreground color in selected area. You can interchange effect by press Ctrl+I for invert. Now it's looking fine, but I want some extra amazing effect. Let's create it. Again choose some image and import it to your file. Make sure your image is raster for changes. If not, right click by mouse in your image layer and convert it to raster image. Then match image by decreasing opacity and adjust it. Now follow simple steps. Make sure you are in same layer and select area by Ctrl+ click on already selected path. And make another mask by click mask icon. Now follow simple steps. Now adjust it. Then select eraser tool and choose some blurred style and erase unwanted area of image for perfect look. Now it's looking amazing. I hope you liked this video and learned this effect. Thanks for watching.